What's going on, guys? MixedSid here, back again for another cocktail video, and today's cocktail video, guys, is the Mamie Taylor, and I will show you how to make it. So what you want to do is get a gin glass and fill it with ice. First ingredient to go in, guys, is 60ml or 2 ounces of Scotch. As you can see, we're using the Highland Black range. Next ingredient is 120ml or 4 ounces of ginger ale. As you can see, guys, we're using the Schweppes brand. And the last ingredient is 15ml or half an ounce of fresh lime juice. So it's a 3 ingredient cocktail, and what you want to do next is now give it a nice good stir. And the last thing to do now is to garnish it with a slice of lime. And there we go, 1 Mamie Taylor. And there we go, guys, 1 Mamie Taylor. How does it taste? It's alright. It's not my favourite one, I'll be honest. But it's alright. I think, personal opinion, I think I'd use something else rather than fresh lime juice with the Scotch. Because I'm not overly keen on the taste. But so you might think different though, because it's not my favourite cocktail in the world at all. No, I don't mind Scotch, because I do prefer bourbon to Scotch, I'll be honest. So I do have a bit more of a sweeter tooth. Well, something about it, I just can't put my finger on it, I just don't like it. To me, it's a bit too watery. And I think it's fresh lime juice, so it's just not going with it. It doesn't do it for me. But yeah, what do you guys think? Have you ever had a Mamie Taylor? Let me know in the comments below what you think of it. It's not my favourite one. Plus, I'd give it a 4 out of 10. It's not to my taste at all, I was gonna say. But that is the Mamie Taylor. Don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid for more cocktail videos. And I will see you guys in the next cocktail video. Cheers.